Hi guys, welcome to my video, and this is
Emily, her cousin.
and we're gonna be eating Mexican food. I don't know. In Spanish or cod?
Wait,
like
is
eat
eggs? Are eggs Mexican food or no?
No, they're not.
Okay, then the only thing that's
And
not
we're
Mexican
I
is...
think I don't know. They're cooked eggs,
Yeah.
like not with the shell, but we took the shell off
Yeah.
with some purple Kool-Aid. So let's get the video. Oh no, we're just gonna be talking normal
Okay, because some other...
they're like this. They're like, and I am not spending $100 microphone on a stupid microphone. Look, hear this?
You can just go like...
And this is really good.
I want to try the egg, yeah. First, like the white part of the egg,
Yeah, me too.
and then the yellow part.
But today I'm just gonna do this.
Right, so I'm gonna try the yellow part right here. Some people say this is a chicken. That they cook the chicken up. And my friend in my class, well, this boy in my class, he said they cooked the chicken up, and the chicken was barely born, and it turned out like this when they cooked it.
We go to the same school, same grade, not same teacher though. Because we told them that we were cousins, so they were gonna let us in the same class. Because we could talk a lot. But now, I'm stuck with my friend from last year, and I talk to her a lot.
I don't know why I always like to do. Let's do it at the same time, yeah? So I'm gonna go. Okay. Now
eat.
I'm gonna try
I'm gonna put my juice.
the yellow part. Cause when you like finish eating the yellow part, it goes.
I don't like that texture.
Cause it just sticks on your mouth and it.
I don't know how people call it mukbang, mukbang.
No.
I think for me, I say it mukbang, but people say mukbang. I think it's mukbang, but like at the same time, people say mukbang. Like, I don't know. What I hate about cousins that say this, we have a cousin that just says, in our school, they're like, hi cousin. I'm like, just say my name. Like, don't say, hi cousin. Hi cousin.
Because they could have more cousins in our school and they could be like, hi cousin.
And like, we don't know what cousin, because there's like two identical cousins.
So like, let's say they were talking Ashley, right? But they just said, hi cousin. What if she said it was me, but I think it was her? We both said hi. But what if they were just talking to one of us?
Yeah.
So it's better to say, hi Ashley, hi Emily.
Or hi both of y'all cousins. Oh yeah.
Cousins.
Go follow our
Musically and
Musically
Snapchat.
and Snapchat. We're gonna put it in the description.
Here, just say your Musically account if you
My
want.
Musically's account is Lucy Hernandez and then dash top 8.
My Musically account is Emily_Tabora5758.
And my Snapchat is L Ashley. If you don't know how to spell Ashley, it's ASHLEY and then 656. So L Ashley 656.
Mine is just Emily Tabora. If you don't know how to spell Tabora,
Emily Tabora 801.
no,
That's
there's
her.
no numbers.
There it is.
Tabora, Tabora. Okay, if you didn't hear that, It's Tabora.
Okay, I'm gonna eat because I love this.
This does not taste like Kool-Aid, but okay. Do you guys know how to do this? She taught me how to do it at first. I was like, how do you do that? Like, I don't like it like this. Looks weird. Comment down if you're single or taken. I'm single.
I'm taking.
Like a Prinkle. She's taken by somebody.
Yeah, today.
When we were grabbing ice cream,
his hands were sticky in his ice cream mouth.
yeah.
So he's like, my hands are sticky, see? And he's just holding my
And
hand
then
the way
the-
there.
like, and I gave him his ice cream upside down, right? Because he said, do you guys want it? I was like, and I was like, do you want it? She was like, no. So I didn't want it. I gave it to him upside down because it was dripping. So then he went, and then it came out. I'm like, okay. And like we were like somewhere over there, and there's like this thing.
mailboxes.
Yeah, and it looked like you were having a honeymoon. I was like, you stand here, you're 3 kids in front. And then,
We're not having any kids.
but then Miguel said, and 1 baby here. Yeah, so that will equal 4 kids.
I'm gonna start off first to ask them, like if I get
I don't really like this because of the cheese. That's
big,
all.
I'm gonna say, when we grow up, I'm gonna say, I don't know, hi. This is what I hate when people do. Oh, thinking about it now. Oh.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's annoying.
like her boyfriend's in my class. So somebody in my class has a crush on her. That's her boyfriend. Yeah.
And a boy that has a crush on her is in my class.
So like we have somebody that has a crush in each other's class. I don't even know how to do this.
So it's dun 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 dun.
Look at her cap.
So I got acrylic nails if you didn't know.
I did too.
They're ugly.
Mine is so loud. Don't touch animals while you eat.
So there's one musically. It's I would never chase a bee. Cause of this is my cat.
She's not my girlfriend. She's not my bed. Oh, she's like, I'm only here for the food, so yeah. What happened, Ashley?
Excuse me.
Look how much can fit in my
Don't
mouth.
know how. Me and Emily, I know how to do boneless, and then Fred's like that. But I do like this. Look, so you do like that, and then you do. Wait. That's how you do it. How do you do that? No, you just do like this.
You go like this. Just put your arms in circles.
No, look.
But you
Look at
can't
this.
move this part.
Exactly.
That's right.
I'm older than her, but she's taller than me.
She's 10, I'm 9. Her boyfriend's 11 or 10.
She's 10, but I turned 11.
And he failed a grade before, but she hasn't.
I'm supposed to be 11. No, I mean 10. I mean, yeah, I'm
grade.
5th grade because if your birthday's past February and August, if that's that, if it's like that, you're supposed to be in 5th, but you're like too young to be in pre-K. So
Didn't didn't let her in pre-K when she was 4, I think, right?
Yeah, they didn't let me because I was too young.
But I went in pre-K when I was 4.
Because she looked tall for 5.
My mom was like, she's 4, and they were like, oh no, she's 5.
And they're like, yeah. And on the sign it said, because I was with her, basically. I don't know.
Because that was a long time ago, like.
You will probably see her in my most vlogs.
Because I come to her house Fridays and Saturdays. But then starting November 15th for 2 weeks, I'm not going to come to her house.
But I have a Snapchat. I'm going to call her.
Yeah. And she could scream it. Because I'm going to be in
California.
Hollywood.
California too.
Hollywood, California. Los
LA.
Angeles. LA. All of that. And my sister, she was like, are you going to kiss the Justin Bieber star? Like,
Star.
But then the Donald Trump one, while I walking, you'd be like, boom. And I was like, okay.
So y'all ask me questions down in the description.
Oh, we're going to ask each other questions, yeah?
Okay.
From all the boyfriends you had, who's your favorite?
Javaris.
He never been your boyfriend.
Yes, right. Yes, he did. Last year.
Wait, I thought it was only Brian, Miguel, and the boys that didn't pre-K. So Javaris is one you dated? So Javaris is your favorite. Okay, next.
I'm just kidding, Miguel.
Oh, Miguel? Okay,
I
next.
know I used to date.
You used to go out with him? Okay, next question.
Let's play Would You Rather.
Okay. Would you rather jump off a bridge by yourself? No, would you rather jump off a bridge with Melody or Sawyer?
Sawyer, because I would make her jump first before I died.
Would you rather jump off okay, now you ask one.
Would you rather eat a snake, a raw snake, while catching it while it has all, like, when it's killed kind of, but not even cooked or anything?
Okay.
Or would you eat a hairy tarantula, not killed?
Tarantula. Would you date Oliver Moy? No. Sebastian Moy or Jesse Underhill?
Jesse Underhill. He's way better though.
Yeah.
Sebastian.
Oliver. I picked Jesse Underhill too. Like, yeah, I'll date Jesse Underhill mostly.
But he's not allowed to date anybody.
She's like just a fan of him, like just like a fan, right? But me,
Obsessed. She has a merch. She kisses it every night.
no, I don't even sleep with it.
Hugs
So.
it.
I don't
And
sleep.
She slept with it. The first night she got it, she takes it to school too much, and she won't even let me sneeze on it or even touch it. That's how.
She only weared it once, and I'm gonna take her to Hollywood with me, cause he's in Hollywood right now. He's gonna be there for 2 months, and if I see him, he's gonna sign it.
She's gonna do.
My sister said that she's gonna see Justin Bieber. She's gonna be like, "Can I take a picture?"
She's gonna.
Like, one more, and that wasn't good. Another one. Okay. Now
But
yeah.
he's getting married to a little girl.
Well, like everybody thinks he's gay, and that girl could be a
Girl.
Okay, you ask me a question. Go. It could be a celebrity one. It could be like,
What did you
what do you? I hate when you say it like that.
rather
Rather
date
dates. Okay.
Javaris
Okay. Or
Or-
Jesse Underhill.
or TJ.
Who would you date? I think you'll look good with TJ. That's what I.
Me?
Yeah, you.
I already dated him once, so.
And did you guys look cute together? I think you did. Wait, how many boyfriends have you ever had?
More than 20.
I had more boyfriends than her.
No, you haven't. How much did you have? Exactly.
That's a lot.
No, I have more than 30. I know everybody likes me. 'Cause
How
I'm
many
so
people
cute. I'm
asked
just kidding.
you out? Let me see why.
10. This year?
Yeah, this
10.
10.
No, 5.
5. So TJ has an ex fiance. He does?
He likes me.
Did he like you last year?
Kind of.
Me and him used to switch classes. Me and another guy used to switch classes. I used to sit in. So like if so we had this new student.
Josue.
No, like in my class.
Exactly, Josue.
No, in my class.
What's her name?
I don't know. Oh, her name was Rachel. She was only there for like 2 days. I know. And then so she sat on Sawyer's desk. And then I had to sit on the other side.
Okay, I'm holding it by a tramp.
Do you think we have
A tripod. I'm holding it by a tripod.
or a camera or a phone?
Comment down below. Ow, Coco. Look. Wait.
Coco,
I'm going to turn it around. Because I can't turn it around. I'm going to push a button.
Transition.
Okay. I have
Here,
it.
look right here. Coco.
I have it, but
She's right here. Look.
the other hand.
That scared me. Ashley, how long are your videos?
I'm going to transition it back. I'm going to try to put it back on where it was.
Okay, if you met a celebrity, right? Like any celebrity, and you saw in just like a second, who and you faint, which celebrity would you faint for? Like, what celebrity will you like pass out for?
I know I met these people once. Like, I've seen them, and they were my friend once. Guess.
Sister Forever.
No.
Killer Can't You Adventure.
No.
No.
The Natalie's World.
Oh.
No, but who I like, celebrity boy?
It doesn't matter. No, and girl, who would you faint for? Girl. Ona.
Rachel.
Rachel. Oh. I feel for Ona.
Ona?
Okay, boy. I have 2 in mind. They're celebrities. And they're in a squad. Okay, go. You want me to say mine first or you?
I know who yours is. Jesse Underhill.
Yeah, who else?
And Sebastian.
No, it's not Sebastian.
Blessed.
Yeah.
Mine is Blessed.
Melody has a crush on Roy and Blessed.
I trust you that I bet she is lying that she has a crush on Blessed. She's just trying to be like us because we like him.
I said...
If I don't like him, when I was little, my favorite person was Maddie B.
Yes, like everybody used to like Maddie B when you were little, but then when you grow up, you
Like
think
it
like...
started being some Jacob Sartorius.
But then later, you'd be like, you find a Maddie B and Jacob Sartorius, you're like, when I was a kid, I used to listen to this? Yeah. But right now, my favorite singers is 6ix9ine and Jesse Underhill only has 1 song.
Mine is Young, Dumb, and Broke.
You know what Melody likes? Like
What?
she always sings like she always like when me and her go on the computers. So we're partners because we need partners for this game we play. She always says like, "Baby, grind on me," and then she takes a second and she said, "Baby, take your time on me." But then the most thing that the word that Melody likes, like Melody's
It's
favorite.
grind on me.
Yeah, she likes the word grind on me. Like she always see like, "Baby, grind on me." And one time she grinded in class.
How?
So she like got on the floor and like you know how to grind, you like get in her handstand and then you like go like that.
If you do.
Like she got in her handstand like and she was like yeah. And she always twerks. I don't know why. Like
Oh. That's for taller people. I'm trying to put all my hair in.
I'm full.
Where's my belly button?
Wait, where is it? Oh, it's right there. I was like, wait, where is it? Oh, it's right there.
What if this is how we all look?
Yeah, like what if people didn't have belly buttons? What if
I am
girls-
not gonna show y'all this because this is like
What if girls?
against the laws to like if it's against the law on YouTube. You can get your account deleted by YouTube if you show your babies or any type of body.
Yeah, but what if you were at the beach? You could show it at least.
No. Or at a pool, no.
Is it? Yeah. Are you full? Oh yeah.
You better eat like Coco Bell.
Okay, now you ask. I'll ask you another question.
You just ask questions while you eat. Oh,
Okay, question. Would you rather date TJ or Elazar or Brian? Wait, no, Elazar or Brian. Sawyer, if you watch this, come on, just say it. I bet Sawyer's not gonna watch this. Wait, does Sawyer watch your YouTube channel? Say it.
Elazar.
I bet Sawyer's thinking like,
She's like,
ooh, that's my man. Does she follow you? Sawyer, if you're watching this, shout out to you, but like, she would date a man if she was.
so the shadow would be
Sawyer.
no. I don't know how to say this name, so I'm not gonna pronounce it.
Try to get her to 1K fans.
And
Because
if
she barely has like 5.
like it up, and if you do, I'm gonna give you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Bye,
Did you do
Felicia.
it? If you did, comment the Panda Squad. And
I gotta eat that. It's getting cold.
no, it's what's my favorite color? Pink
What?
or blue? Don't answer.
What do you think my favorite color is?
Blue or pink?
Our colors match. Like, our favorite colors match. Okay, I'm gonna go to the
Hers
back.
is one. We don't have the same favorite colors, just to tell y'all.
Yeah.
'Cause
Like, her favorite color is my second favorite color. From all my BFFs I had,
I farted.
from all the BFF necklaces I had one with her, Lucero, Milady.
I don't know if you know Lucero. She's a girl. She's a brat.
What if Lucero watches this? Cut that out.
No, I don't care. I'm telling you the truth. I don't care if she used to be my friend. She's a brat.
Pee. Okay, keep talking.
She's a brat. Like, she can be really weird sometimes, but she can be really nice. So I shouldn't be saying this, but like, she's really nice. But at the same time, she's like, ugh.
Yeah, like sometimes she could be really mean. Like last year, she used to pretend to be
So-
my friend.
Bye, guys. Hope y'all like, comment, subscribe.
Comment your BFF's name.
Subscribe. Yeah. That's gonna be the question of the day. Comment down what's your best friend. So,
I'm
like,
gonna say mine.
comment, subscribe, hit the notification to be notified all the time when we make a new video. So, peace.